You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name from the Bible. In the Bible, if you want to learn more confusing pronunciations from biblical names, stay tuned. Pronounced in English: Tarshish. English pronunciation, let's break down into syllables. Tarshish. How to pronounce Tarshish. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.